Hi outdoors, welcome to another vlog. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So today we're doing a day in my life. Enjoy guys. Love yous.
People without much professional background. So anyone could start an NGO till recently, but now that's not the case. We need professionals to run NGOs. Okay, why? Because there are very clear now. Every cause that we are here deciding.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Killer weather, guys. It's like it's never rained.
I promise I won't leave your
Like I'm
side.
meeting the sun.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now.
Hi artists. So yeah, right now let me check the time. Right now the time is 2:30 in the evening, and I'm gonna take a nap. But the thing is, I have research to submit tomorrow again. I feel like I'm leaving for research. I don't know how you guys feel, but I feel like I'm leaving for research. Every day is all about research, so I'm planning to go to the library at 6 p.m. to finalize some things. Like I wanna fix my English there and there. And before I didn't feel the topic right, so now I'm kind of feeling it. So I feel like I should go and write a problem statement that it's me. Like it's when you read it, you feel Uti, this is Nobile guys, or Nobile Opalela. That is what I'm gonna do today. So yeah guys, there's nothing much that I do every day really. This is my life. I just go to classes, then I come back, I sleep. So great. And the rain guys, this rain has been very bad. We're having online classes because of rains, and there is a place that is just a tragedy. Let me just say like that. It's just, you know, just I'm not this guys, but when they go monagara. So people are suffering. There was a landslide, and people are trapped, others are dead. Look, it's just so bad, but yeah, we keep them in our prayers, and we hope the situation is gonna get better. And this is the first time in my life I am not happy that it's raining, because of what is happening. It's just a lot. So yeah guys, I hope one day we're gonna do a check-in video about India again, because I haven't done any sit-down videos in a very long time. But I think I'm gonna do one that is taught the guys about, basically about being away from home, like being homesick, and um like mental health guys, and other things of course. But I feel like being away from home, like because um I think last month, I lost my auntie, and That was when I realized Uti being away from home akudlalwa, guys. It's not child's play. It is something that is so scary and very, very hard, because it starts as a joke, like, you feel like I'm alone, I'm away. Then you hear that people, they get sick, and they actually pass away and are not there, which is so traumatic and so disturbing. Yeah, it just was a big realization for me that time. But okay, guys, before I start talking a lot, we're gonna talk about it in another video. As for now, guys, let me go and rest, so that when I wake up, I am ready to do my work, schoolwork, because I'm a school girl. I love and appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Please keep on liking and sharing them so that people can subscribe. Later. Hey Artiza. So right now is 6 p.m. and I am going to the library. I'm not sure, but okay, if I should continue going there, because the weather has changed and I'm scared it's gonna start raining when I'm inside the library and I don't have umbrella. Okay, but let me go and try, guys. Let me not go back. I've already come too far. Guys, I'm in the library. I am sweating. Seriously, just look at this. I'm going to get crying because I'm an Android vlogger. Okay, but guys, I am sweating. And this, I'm sweating. I'm done in the library and I didn't finish. I'm supposed to submit tomorrow. I'm not panicking, but I am. Let me go to hostel, guys. Ngiyazingiyela nje ukustressa, please. Ngiqane nangaka. Hayibo. Dinner, guys. Dinner. My roommate cooked Irish potatoes and cabbage. So, guys, after dinner, I just read my Bible and prayed. Then I went straight to bed. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love yous.